Okay, good morning students. So today we are going to discuss about the next topic, that is electric power. So this is the last topic of this chapter, and this topic power we have generally discussed in class 9th also, but here with the term power we have added one more word, that is electric. Okay, so because here this power is related to the term electric current. Okay, that is why here it is used as this term as a electric power. Okay. Now, as we know that whenever the electric current passes through any electrical device, that electrical device is consuming that electrical energy and doing some amount of work. Okay, so that energy is being converted into the work done. And what is that energy? That is the electrical energy. Okay, so that electrical energy is converted into the work done. Clear? Now every device, they have their own limitations. Some are doing means high amount of work, some are doing less amount of work, some are producing less energy, some are producing more energy. As you can say, all the heating devices, they consumes more energy because they have to produce a large amount of heat, just like the oven and geyser. Okay, all these devices, they have to consume more electric current, and then they will be able to perform the work. Okay, because without consuming the current they will not be able to do the work. Okay, so according to their capacity, according to their need or the work, all the electrical devices, they consumes the electrical energy, and accordingly they perform their functions and their works. Okay, now every device, they are doing the work, and that work or the electrical energy, whatever they are consuming or they are producing, we are generally comparing with the, we are doing comparison with the time. Okay, कि कौन सा डिवाइस कितने टाइम में कितनी इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी कंज्यूम करता है या प्रोड्यूस करता है. ओके, सो द डिवाइस विच इज़ डूइंग मोर अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क, दैट मीन्स इट हैज़ मोर पावर. सो जनरली यहाँ पावर का मतलब एक सिंपल वर्ड्स में यू कैन से लाइक दिस, it is the speed of doing work. Okay, it is simply the speed of doing work of every electrical device. Now simply you can take the formula of electric power that we have studied in class 9. What is the formula of electric power? That is work done upon time taken. Clear? Or in short we can write P is equal to W upon T. And this power here, what you will call it as electric power. Now what is the formula of work done? Okay, for this first of all you have to check the formula of potential difference, which is V is W upon Q. So formula of W is V into Q. So in place of W we can write V Q. Okay, and what is the formula of Q? That is I into T. Okay, यहाँ upon भी T है. So in place of Q we can write I T upon time T. T and T, they are cancelled. So what you will get here, P is equal to V into I. So this is the first formula of electric power. Okay, so electric power generally we can define as the rate of doing work. Okay, and also we can define like this, the rate of consuming electrical energy or producing electrical energy, or you can say releasing electrical energy. Okay, so the rate of consuming electrical energy or producing electrical energy, or you can say releasing electrical energy. Okay, that is called the electric power. Is that clear? The unit of power is watt, W-A-T-T, which is denoted by the symbol W. Okay, this definition and this formula we have already done in class 9 also, the unit also you know very well. Okay, but this definition here we are related to the electrical energy, so that is something new for you, but the concept is same. क्योंकि यहाँ जो वर्क हो रहा है वो किसकी वजह से हो रहा है, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी की वजह से होगा, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी कंज्यूम होगी तभी तो कोई डिवाइस क्या करेगा, इट विल स्टार्ट डूइंग द वर्क और इट विल परफॉर्म द एक्शन. ओके, सो दिस इज द first form of the electric power formula, which is P is equal to V into I, that is electric power is equal to voltage into electric current. Okay, this is the first form. Now for second form of this formula of power, we will replace V by IR into I. What is V? It is IR. Okay, so that is why in place of V we have written IR. So what you will get here? I square R. So and this is the second form of this formula of power. Okay, then now in place of I, what we can write? V upon R. So in place of I we can write V upon R, and since here it is a square of I, so this value of I you have to put the square, which is V upon R whole square into R. On squaring you will get V square upon R square into R power 2 will cancel by power 1 of this R. So what is left here? It is V square upon R. Okay, so this is the third form. P is equal to V square upon R. This is the, you can say, third form. Clear video? So this is how you have to derive the formulas for the electric power. Clear?